So question number 1 of exercise 7.1 is write the fraction representing the shaded portion. You have to write the fraction of the shaded portion. So first of all you will count that how many portions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 portions are there, and how many are filled? 2 are filled. So you will write 2 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator, and after cancelling it you will get 1 by 2. In the next part, first of all calculate how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 portions are there, and how many are filled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are filled. So 8 by 9 is the answer. There are total 10 parts in question number 1, and you have to do next 8 parts yourself, and you can write in the comment box if you find any doubt, then I will do it for you. So let us move on to question number 2. Question number 2 is color the part according to the given fraction. Now fractions are given to you, you have to color the part. So first part is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means total parts are 6. Let us calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. And you have to fill one part of this. So whatever number will be written in the numerator, you have to fill that part. So 1. So you have to fill this 1. In second, 1 by 4. That means total parts are 4 and you have to fill one of them. So any one you can fill. Third part, 1 by 3, total parts are 3 and you have to fill one part, any part you can fill. And rest 2 parts are your homework, you can do it yourself. If you find any doubt, you can write in the comment box. So let us move on to question number 3. So students, question number 4 of exercise 7.1 is what fraction of a day is 8 hours? You have to find the fraction of a day, that is 8 hours की आपको fraction find out करनी है one day में. Since all of you know about that, since one day is equals to how many hours? 24 hours, right? So therefore the fraction of 8 hours, in the denominator you will write down the total hours, and जिसकी fraction find out करनी है that you will write down in the numerator. So 8 hours upon 24 hours, you will get hours get cancelled, 8 3s are 24 and you will get 1 by 3. So there is no unit of the fraction. Is this clear? So let us move on to question number 5. So question number 5 is what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Since all of you know about, since 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. And you have to find out the fraction of 40 minutes. The fraction of 40 minutes is equals to, you will write down 40 minutes in the numerator, and in the denominator you will write down 60 minutes, because total minutes in 1 hour are 60 minutes. So cancel it, minutes get cancelled, 0 get cancelled, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So the fraction is 2 by 3. Again I am telling you that there is no unit of a fraction. So this is question number 5. Let us move on to question number 6. So question number 6 is Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has brought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetable and one of jam. So 3 friends are there, Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek. They shared their lunch and Arya has brought 2 sandwiches. One was made of vegetable and one was made of jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have equal share of each sandwich. So Arya agreed to share his sandwiches with his friends. So in A part you have to find out how can Arya divide his sandwich so that each person has an equal share, so that each of the friend gets the equal share. How Arya will divide the sandwich. Let us see A part. There are two sandwiches which Arya has brought. These are the two sandwiches. One is made of vegetable. This is made of vegetable, and this is made of jam. These two sandwiches Arya has brought. Now how can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share? सबको equal share मिले. How he will divide it? So how he will divide it? See, in three equal parts. In three equal parts. So Arya will divide each sandwich into three equal parts and give one part of each sandwich to each one of them. So you will write that Arya will divide each sandwich into three equal parts, okay, and give one part of each sandwich to each one of them, like this part to Arya, this part to Abhimanyu, this part to Vivek. Again from the jam sandwich, this part Arya, this part Abhimanyu, and this part Vivek. So three equal parts. Now B part is, what part of a sandwich will each boy receive? Now in this you have to find out the fraction, that is what part of sandwich will each boy receive. How many parts are there? 3 parts. So in the denominator you will write down 3, and each one get how much? 1 part, 1 part, 1 part. So 1 by 3 will be given to each boy. So 1 by 3 part of the sandwich will be given. Is this clear? So this is question number 6. Let us move on to question number 7. So question number 7 is, Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. So total dresses she had to dye is equals to 30. That is total number of dresses is equals to 30. She has so far finished 20 dresses. So finished work कितना है उसका? Work finished how much? That is 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses she has finished? So fraction of finished work. जो फ्रैक्शन आपको फाइंड आउट करनी होती है उसको हमेशा ऊपर लेते हैं टोटल नंबर को डिनोमिनेटर में. सो 20 अपॉन 30 यू विल गेट 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 fraction उसने finished कर लिया. Is this clear? So let us move on to question number 8. And question number 8 is, so question number 8 is, write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? First of all, you have to write all the natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Which are starting from 1. So natural numbers from 2 to 12 is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And you have to find the fraction of the prime numbers. So let us find out prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Having only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So 2 is the prime number, even prime number, 3 is the prime number, 4 is the prime number, 7 is the prime number, and 11 is the prime number. So how many prime numbers are there? Prime numbers is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. How many prime numbers are there? 5. So fraction will be, prime numbers are 5, but the total numbers are how much? 11. Yes. So 5 upon 11 is the answer. So fraction of prime numbers is equals to 5 by 11. Let us move on to question number 9. And 9th question is, Question number 9 is write natural numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? So first of all, write down the natural numbers from 102 to 113 is equals to 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 10, 11, 12 and 113. So you have to find out the prime numbers between them. Prime numbers is equals to, prime numbers from these are 103 is a prime number, 107 is a prime number, 109 is a prime number and 113 is a prime number. So how many prime numbers are there? 4 prime numbers, 103, 107, 109 and 113. So fraction of prime numbers is equals to 4 upon 12 because total numbers are 12 and prime numbers are 4. So 4 3s are 12, 1 by 3 is the answer. Is this clear? So this is question number 9. Let us move on to question number 10. Question number 10 is what fraction of these circles has x in them? So how many circles are there? Total circles are 8. So you have to find out the fraction of circles x in them. ठीक है, आपको जिसमें x लिखा हुआ है उनकी निकालनी है. So number of circles having x is equals to 4. So fraction, how you will find out? X की निकालनी है. So 4 upon total are 8. 4 2s are 8, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Let us move on to question number 11, and question number 11 is, so question number 11 is Christian received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 others as gift. So 3 वो अपने आप लेकर आई and 5 she got as the gifts. What fraction of the total CDs did she buy? And so total CDs, now 3 CDs plus 5 CDs is equals to 8 CDs. So total number of CDs is equals to 3 plus 5, which is equals to 8, because she bought 3 CDs and 5 she received as gift. So total is equals to 8, and number of CDs purchased is equals to 3, and number of CDs she received as gift is equals to 5. You have to find out the fraction of the total CDs did she buy and what fraction did she receive as gift. So buy कितनी की उसकी fraction निकालनी है and कितनी उसने as a received as a gift उसकी fraction निकालनी है. So fraction of CDs purchased is equals to 3 and total are 8. So 3 by 8 is the answer. Fraction of CDs received as gift is equals to total are 5 which she received as gift and the total number of CDs are 8. So 5 by 8. This is the solution of question number 11. So now your exercise 7.1 is complete. Let us move on to exercise 7.2, and for that we'll meet in the next video.